Erick, an acting for film student, relied on NYFA's experienced admissions team to guide him from his hometown of Mexico City to NYFA's Miami campus. At NYFA, international students can trust that their transition will be as smooth as possible, as the school welcomes students from over 160 countries that add to and benefit the diverse NYFA community. Here's Erick's story.
Hey Alex, thank you for that. Erick here, originally from Mexico City. I've always knew I belong in film and multimedia world. I got a huge opportunity to be a TV host and a TV reporter in my country. But that wasn't enough. I knew I needed to aim higher and study at a big league school. That's why I drove 2,400 miles to attend NYFA South Beach campus in Miami, Florida, located at Lincoln Road, where you can do tons of things after school. And of course, with the perfect weather. As an international student, I had second thoughts about attending college in the United States, but NYFA's academic advisors helped me throughout the whole process in my native Spanish tongue. It doesn't matter where you're from, there is a place for you here. All it matters is your willingness to take your shot, work hard, and learn. One of the things I love most about NYFA is that our teachers know how the entertainment industry works, because they're actively working in their fields. They guide students step by step, which helps us learn so much. NYFA challenges you, just like in real life. To be great at what you do, you have to keep practicing, even if you make mistakes. That's why NYFA is a perfect place for international students who are new to the country, to learn without fear of judgment or failure. It doesn't matter if you're here to study filmmaking, acting, screenwriting, producing, or anything else. You leave understanding your craft because you have practiced it many times before. NYFA gave me the chance to live in a different country while working toward my goal. While here, I shared film screenings, assignments, and perspectives with people from all over the world. I've learned about other cultures from my peers. Just like having creative differences and makes a film more interesting, our different student perspectives make us a better school. Thank you for letting me share my journey with you. Alex, back to you.
Thanks, Erick. International students eager to learn film, media, or performing arts will find an energetic, artistic community at NYFA. Whether you decide to study at the college's Los Angeles, New York, Miami, Australia, or Italy campus, if you're an international student, you'll get the resources and support you need to feel at home. Cheers, Erick.